Hey, you'll have to excuse my mess. As my workbench, I just kind of cleared things back out of the way. This is my Harbor Freight cheap metal brake. And it is exactly that. It's a cheap metal brake. Bend it here. Then I'll get the old piece and I'll mark it, cut it, bend it up this way, and then I will start to shape it using my shrinker stretcher, which is another tool I bought several years back and have almost never used. Now if you can clamp it good enough, this will work. That made a nice bend. But, and I welded this to it. I'll have to straighten that back out a little bit because it went a little too far. But, as you can see, I got the metal all ground down, which you probably saw in the other video or prior in this video, I'm not sure which. I made a notch here so that I can bend this part up this direction. And this vise is just basically perfect. It won't fit in the metal brake. I'm going to hammer that just a little bit to give it a little bit sharper edge. Yeah, let's see if I can shoot part of a video where I'm not going to want to delete a major part of it. Okay. I think I got that bend. Not quite perfect. It needs a little more bend right here. This is going to have to come over this way just a little bit. But overall, we did pretty good. Okay, this is my shrinker stretcher. Bungee cord. I'm going to modify all this. I put these on. It's nothing but steel rod. Same one I used on the exhaust. Bend it, and it just holds these up. So it takes the tension off all the jaws and all that kind of stuff. Now this is not my area of expertise, not even close. So I'm going to just try to do this a little bit at a time, not get carried away. Because I've already learned once that it's real easy to overdo something like this. Now you already saw that that was flat. Just what I did right there gave it that much of a curve. Alright, let's go see what it looks like on the truck. Okay, we're over at the truck. Now remember, I've got to trim this back. This is still off the very first time. You just watch me do. And that, other than right here, I've got to make this tighter. But that almost is perfect. And once I get this thing to lay in a little further, by trimming this edge back here, it may be perfect. For being pretty much my first time, it's actually my second time doing this. Okay, I just crimped through some more. And then gave it a little tweak down here, which I'll have to pull that in. I'm going to put some new metal across the bottom of this too, before I get too carried away. But this is coming out so much better than I thought it was going to. I am slightly amazed. Okay, there's the end product. It fits. I'm happy with it. I will weld in some metal down there across the bottom edge, and then bend in this edge over here, get that straight, and excuse me, fix that hole right there. As you can see, somebody else has been in here and just done all kinds of stuff. They welded in the door striker. There's rust all through here, and I'm not making this a show truck. I just like my stuff to be halfway decent. But special shout out to Outlaw Edge, who told me, hey, on this truck, said, you can make that piece, just stick it in a Strinker stretcher and it'll take it right to shape. And well, he was right. So, special shout out to him. That's it. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell 12, and come back. I will have something else sooner or later. For now, bye, and thanks for watching.